In this video, I'm going to show you a secret and a hack that will help you outrank other websites and content writer on Google. If you follow all these step by step, you will be able to attract other content writer or website on Google. First of all, what I want us to do, we have already did a research in my last video. So if you haven't watched that video, please pause this video, go and watch that video before you come back to this video. So I have already done the research of keyword and I have already downloaded some keyword to my system. So let me go to those keywords. Here, as you can see, there are a lot of keywords that I downloaded from Google Keyword Planner, but if you have a website that has 0 DA and doesn't have backlink, you have to search for search difficulty of maximum 10. So right now there is a keyword here that have search difficulty of 2, have 10,000 monthly search. So this keyword is traditional marketing. So we have to just copy this keyword and go to my Chrome and you have to paste it here, traditional marketing. Then you have to click on search. Once you have clicked on search, it will pull out information related to this particular keyword that you want to talk about. What I want you to keep in mind is that it's not just by pulling out this keyword and the volume and search difficulty. What really matters is that you know the amount of content that others have written. That's why if you are doing a research, you have to know the perfect keyword that you want to rank for. So as I have clicked, it will pull out the website that is ranking for this particular keyword. So what I want you to do before you start writing your own content, if you want to get videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So as you can see, there is link here related to websites that has already ranked on top 1 to 10. So what I want you to do is to click on these links to break out the content they have written. So I have already clicked on some of these links here, as you can see. So let's go to those websites. This is one of the websites that are ranking for traditional marketing. So what I want you to do is to highlight this content till the end. Then you have to click on word counter. If you don't have word counter, you have to go and download word counter on your Chrome. So as you can see right here, this website have written 2,157 words. So let's check on another website and know the amount of keyword this one have written. This one have written 845 words. Let's check another. This one have written 1,027 words. And the last one, let's check. This one have written 1,684 words. So the secret about all of this, why I'm showing you all this website, is because if you want to write about this traditional marketing, you have to write at least 2,500 word to 3,000 word to be able to attract all this website that is ranking or top one of Google. Automatically you will get traffic to your website. Secondly, you will attract all this website, and also your content will stand out. If you do love this video, please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video.